Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how to change the theme on Windows 11. Maybe Windows is running slow and you want to improve the performance or just want to customize the look. It's quick and easy to do. We will also have a quick look at how to change some individual elements. First, I'm going to quickly show you how to get to this page in case you didn't know. I'm just going to left click to close it. You just need to right click anywhere on the desktop and left click on personalize. And it will bring you to the same window. The easiest way to change your theme is just by left clicking on one of the pictures over here, and the specific theme will be applied instantly. So I'm going to do that right now and change it to sunrise. So as we can see, all the elements have changed together. There is also a place in the Microsoft Store where you can download new themes. I'm gonna show you. You just need to left click on themes over here, a bit lower. And if you scroll down, you will see get more themes from Microsoft Store and this button that says browse themes. If you don't see these options, just left click on current theme and the drop down will expand the menu. Unfortunately, you will need to log in with your Microsoft account if you are not already logged in. Let's click on browse themes to see how they look in the Microsoft Store. And to install a new theme, just left click on it and left click on get over here. I'm gonna close this window. There are also high contrast themes. If you scroll down, you will see contrast themes over here. I'm gonna left click to open it. These are good if you have low vision or if you are working in an environment with low light. It will make it easier on the eyes. It will reduce the eye strain. You can see how the specific themes look over here in the preview. And when you want to change them, just left click on this button that currently says none and select one of the themes. I'm gonna go with desert. Windows will take a moment or two after you click apply, of course. I forgot to do that. And it will update. We can see that this one looks pretty nice and it's not dark. If you need one that is dark for low vision, you can just select it from the list. Let's try dusk and left click on apply. And this is how it looks like. You can alternate the normal theme with the contrast theme by pressing Alt, Shift and Print Screen on your keyboard. It will make a funny sound and it will revert between the themes. And if you want to turn it on again, you can press the same keys and Windows will ask you if you want to turn on high contrast. We're not going to do that right now again. I'm gonna go back and show you something. You can also customize the individual elements from this window. If you left click on background, it will take you to the background settings where you have 4 options over here for what you want to see on the desktop background. I'm gonna go back. You can also change the accent color, which is previewed over here, by left clicking this button and just selecting a custom color of your choice, and we can see it, the preview changed over here. This is also where you can change the mode. So this is something I didn't show you. If you left click, you can select dark, for example, and it will make the interface dark and leave everything else untouched. This is also a great theme for low light if you don't want to use the high contrast. So if you want to keep the large range of colors. What you can also do is select custom, and you can define different settings for the Windows, for Windows and for apps. So if you want to keep apps light, you can do that, and it will keep everything else dark. For example, the taskbar and the start menu. Other things worth mentioning are the facts that you can also change the transparency over here by left-clicking. So we don't see a large change, but it's there if you will look closely. The images on the background will blend a bit with the windows if it's turned on. Okay guys, this is in short in regards to changing the themes on Windows and customizing. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.